Gates open, they're up and racing. Dream Supreme draws for your lead. Moving up, Eagle Swings, Treasured Act. Then by the rail is Defiant. Big Bang Bong is running in between runners. Love Story is speed affirmed, and he's the man is running at the tail of the field. As they round a 3/4 mile distance, Eagle Swings on his favorite position, leading the field by 4. Then running now in second is Defiant. Then racing in third is entry number 3. That's Love Story, while Tiger Wood was left behind. Past the last 900 and working to the final 800 with Eagle Swings continues to be the leader by about 2 lengths. Defiant now getting closer in second, racing in third, Dream Supreme. Then racing in fourth is Love Story, moving up Big Bang Bong, followed by He's the Man, Treasured Act, and Speed Up Film, and a long way back to Tiger Wood. As they race to the last 450, we have entry number 5, Eagle Swing, still leading the field, running on the outside now and about to throw the challenge is the favorite Dream Supreme, Defiant, and on the outside Love Story. With the last 150 more to run, Dream Supreme by about 4, and finally Dream Supreme, Love Story, Defiant, Treasured Act, Eagle Swings. For your pentapecta then comes Big Bang Bong. He's the man, is speed up firm.